swinging through the rubber band, flip-flop, belly drop. What colour was his blood? Choose a colour. Pink. P-I-N-K. Red. R-E-D. I'm out. P-I-N-K. You're out. Oh. Tarzan, monkey man, swinging through the rubber band, flip-flop, belly drop. What colour was his blood?
It's me. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. Yes, you did.
How could you? You smell. So do you. You smell even worse. Stupid Lily. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make an audition for a new best friend. Estará bien. Quítate de eso. Estará bien, te lo prometo. Right. Hello. So can you rap, sing or dance together?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me gusta estar aquí, estoy muy feliz. Amo Kendall. ¿Y tú cómo te sientes? Hola.
What did she say?
I don't understand what she said.
What do you mean?
Everyone think I speak Spanish, but I don't.
Okay, favorite color?
Azul, morado, anaranjado, todos los colores me encantan. Violeta, rojo, azul, verde, amarillo.
I made a huge mistake.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
What did she say?
I think she said she needs a tissue.
Oh, here you go. Come in.
Hello. Hello. Sorry about that. Hi.
Is your name Karen?
Yes.
Okay. What's your age?
90.
All right. What's your favorite song, Karen?
Little Mix.
What song?
Black Magic.
Okay. Okay, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color, blue.
Oh, I like blue too. Okay, what kind of best friend would you want? Like, what kind of personality?
I don't know. I just think you.
Think me?
Mhm.
Okay. Do I know you?
No. Oh, look at the time. I need to go. Bye-bye.
Nice try, Lily. Okay, hi, is your name Raha?
Yes,
What's your age?
4,000 years old.
Wow, you are very old. What's your favourite song?
What's the song?
You don't like any songs?
I don't even know what one is.
Okay, then I'll cross that off. What's your favourite colour?
Red.
Red. Now, you've had a good audition, but I don't think you'll be the right best friend. Where's he gone? Next!
Britain's Got Talent.
This isn't Britain's Got Talent, this is a best friend audition.
Oh, whatever. Let me sing the song.
Okay.
Peppa, Peppa, Peppa Pig. Peppa, Peppa
It's really good.
Pig. Will you be my pretty friend? Will you be my pretty friend? Will you be my pretty friend? Peppa Pig.
It's really good.
Boing boing, boing boing, boing boing, Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig, boing, bitty bitty, boing boing. Thank you. Wasn't that so great?
Yeah, it was like the best song I've ever heard. Not at all. No! That's too much. No. Get out! You don't understand me at all. No, not what I'm looking for. You're good. But do you come in the smaller size? Because you're too tall for me. No, for the 12th time, it's not Britain's Got Talent. What are you, 75? Too old, too young, too short, too tall, too thin, and too smelly. I'm germophobic. You can leave. When did you last have a shower? Go have a bath. Oh, I'm never going to find a best friend. I think I miss Lily. Who's at the door? Come in! What? What is that? Lily, you always do how to make me laugh. Lily, I missed you. You always knew how to make me laugh. But really, take that bit off.
Okay.